Welcome to live. We covered SEO on page and off page. Today we're going to talk about server side optimization. So till now we finished. So we learned on page optimization, how to write titles, descriptions, image alt, links, bold italic, first line of the paragraph. Everything we learned. And off page techniques, the link building techniques like directory submission, blog commenting, web 2.0, article submission, guest blogging, image, video, document. So these are all the technique we learned actually. Okay. So apart from on page and off page, you also required server side optimization. So this today's class is somewhat tricky. Uh, some people might not understand this, but I'll try to make it simple, very simple. But don't need to worry. Whatever the hard things are there is alternate. Try to understand it because on page optimization, maybe you might do 2 times or 3 times. Off page is every day you have to do it. When you're working for the company, every day you have to do. But server side optimization only once. Once it is done, it's done. You don't need to do many times. So mostly in a company, senior people only do this server side optimization. Okay. So you need to have a awareness on what is server side optimization, but no big company will ask you to do it. But at least you should have a knowledge on server side optimization. And it will be somewhat technical. Majority, if you know it, you give it to the developer plays in the code actually. I'll try to show the alternates as well. Server side optimization. Why this is important? Now let's see, we already know that all our content stored in a server. Assume that this is the server. In this we have different space. This is some website data, this is some website data. Our data is stored in a server. So because the data is stored in a server, there are few things we have to explain to the server as well. Then only it will retrieve the data very fast. So that is called server side optimization. Because our data stored in server, we have to explain few details to the server as well. So what are the detail, how to do that is called server side optimization. Here we'll be getting sitemap, robots.txt, and non triple one to triple w, non triple w to triple w redirection. These three things we're gonna learn. Right. So we learned on our domain and hosting. So we have different websites here. Assume that this is Amazon and this is our website ODMT. This is career switch or something. A different website. Amazon is a very big website. These are very small websites. And before this, I'll take a small example as well. If you understand this example, it will be easy for you. So, guys, this is the main road of high-tech city, and this is Cyber Towers. Assume that this is Cyber Towers. And you are here, you're staying here, and one person came to you. On the way, one person approached you and asked how to reach Shilpa Ramam. Okay, this is Cyber Towers. This is towards Panjagutta. This is towards Kundapur. So someone tell me, if someone asks how to reach Cyber Towers, how will you guide that person? I think you know where is Shilpa Ramam, Cyber Towers. Does anybody know here? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
You know it, right?
I know, but I don't know how to. I think I'll say that go straight and take right to the Kondapur route.
Correct. See, Shilpa Ramam is just besides Cyber Towers. Exactly 5 minutes walk. Not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes walk. So he'll be telling to that person, right? Go straight, walk for 2 minutes, left hand side, you'll be having a Shilparama. This is how you explain, right? Okay. But the same person asked you how to reach to ICFI Business School. So there is ICFI Business School, which is in Nagarjuna Circle, Panjagutta. Really, to reach them, reach here, how many places they have to go? I'm telling you. So this, as you know, this is high tech city. So first they have to come to here, Jubilee checkpost. They have to reach, and from there they have to come to Nagarjuna Circle. Then they have to come to Panjagutta Circle. Once they come to Panjagutta Circle, they have to take the wrong direction here. Then after so many lefts and rights, they'll reach ICFI Business School. Around 25 kilometers journey is there. You have to guide this person to reach over there. No technology used. The person who is commuting is going by walk. He doesn't have any gadgets, nothing. But still he has to reach it. How will you communicate? So that this guy should go to ICFI. He should not ask anybody, but still he could able to reach the ICFI. Use your brains and tell me, guys, how this person will reach this place without taking any other help, any other gadgets. Yeah. How will you do that?
Mm. He shouldn't even use a cab, sir.
No, nothing. No cabs, nothing. But still that guy has to go there. What will you do? How will you guide him? Yeah. You will say landmarks, right? First go to Jubilee checkpost, Nagarjuna Circle, Panjagutta Circle. You will tell like this, right? After that, left, right, left, right, left, right. But he can go all of them. But when it comes to left, right, he'll forget some left. He end up in Amirpet. But he should not forget exactly has to reach there. What he will do? Someone answer the question. Anyone who watching the video also can answer this. Lakshmi, what will you do? Pawan, what will you do? Dinakar, what will you do? Write in your chat. Problem is he will remember. He can't remember. He'll forget. Then what are you gonna do to remember it?
He'll
What's
write down. He'll note down what I'm saying.
you will write down, right?
Yes.
On a paper. So you'll write down a paper. That is called
Or
map.
yeah.
So you're gonna give a map. So when you give a map, what happens? The person will come to Jubilee checkpost from Cyber House. He'll tick mark. Nagarjuna circle tick mark. Panjaguta circle tick mark. After that, left, right, everything tick mark. He'll come to ICFI. Because even though I'm giving a landmarks, he has a chance of forgetting. That's why we're giving the map so that he will not forget it. Okay. When it comes to Cyber Towers to Shilpa Ramam, it was very easy for him because just walkable distance. But where about the place which is not walkable distance and so many lefts and there, you have to give a map. Remember this example. Google Maps, Yashmith, you said, but here I said no technology using. So normal map. Without Google Maps, we have a paper, right? In paper, you should write. Now, let us talk about our main thing. I'll try to relate this. Now, one person from India is searching for ODMT website. He's searching some page. Okay. ODMT have 100 pages. Assume that. So someone searching SEO codes or digital marketing codes, this request will go land one, go to server. Server easily find the pages. Out of 100 pages, finding one page is not a big deal. It will pick, it will give it to this guy. It's very, very easy. Problem is with Amazon only. Amazon have 35 crore pages. So someone searching for a shoes in Amazon, this request you has to go to Amazon. Amazon should find a product from 35 crore. This is really hectic process. When it comes to ODMT, this is same like a Cyber Towers to Shilparama. It's very easy. If it is Amazon, it's more like a Cyber Towers to ICFI Business School. So many pages they have to check. Then they have to retrieve the information. So what is the solution, guys? By seeing the example, what solution give? Here, when the person is forgetting what we give a map, right? In the
Yeah.
same way, for a server also, we should give a map so that it will remember. This is called site map. A map given to server. And generally, whenever we give a map to the person, we mention what is the easiest route to go. Here also, what are the map given? We're mentioning what is the easiest ways to go to home page, about us page, contact us page, shoe section, laptop section. So that is a site map. Complete map of your site is given to the server. So someone searching, server will check in sitemap. Okay, what is the easiest way? Chalo, fatafat it will retrieve the information. So if a big website have a sitemap, server can retrieve the data very fast. It will give it to the user. This is called sitemap. Is it clear, guys? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Right. So that's why remember that example so that you will never forget the sitemap. But remember, whenever I talk about server side optimization, server only understand XML language. It will not understand HTML language. That is a problem. One second. So it is understand only XML language. When comes to this map, we gave it to that person, right? Directly we'll write in a paper, draw it and give it to that guy. But it's not the same thing here. If you really want to give a sitemap to server, you have to write a XML language code. You have to write in that code only. Unfortunately, we don't know that code. But how to download a sitemap, I'm going to show you. Remember, sitemap means a map given to the server. Because if a website have more than 500 pages, server cannot retrieve fast. At that time, we have to give a map. How to generate, I'm going to show you. Okay, let's go to the robots.txt. I told you, right? Somewhat tricky, but if you understand the logic, it's easy. Any questions on sitemap? Is it clear? Dinakar, Lakshmi, Pawan? Clear, right?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay. Next,
Yes.
let's talk about robots.txt. We have home page. We have about us page. We have contact us page. We have privacy page. Privacy, terms and conditions, and payment. If a website is there, so many pages are there. Okay. You know what? Whether you submit to Google or not, these all pages will get indexed by default. It might take some time. Google crawler keep on crawling the content. So sometimes even though you didn't submit it, automatically Google come and crawl each and every page. So home page will get crawled, privacy also get crawled, even your payment page also get crawled. Now everyone have a chance of coming on Google. Now someone searching on Google, best digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Your home page come, it's okay. Your about us page also come, it's okay. Your contact us page come also, it's okay. But someone searching best digital marketing course in Hyderabad, directly your payment page come. Means you're asking the customer to pay amount first so that we can tell you which is the best institute. That is not good, right? You should not ask something like that. And I don't want my payment page to be come on Google. My website is there. Okay, someone type, someone go to the website, he can make the payment, but it should not be there in the Google. Someone searching, my payment page should not come. Then assume that I want to delete it. Deleting the payment page is not a solution, but if someone want to make the payment, they can't pay. So it has to be there in the website, but it should not be not indexed. That is called robots.txt. Robot.txt, it is a method. It is a method of telling the crawler to not crawl a particular page. Now, privacy policy, terms and conditions, these are not required me to get indexed. Not at all required. So this is the method. Robot.txt is a method of telling the crawler that what page is required to index on Google, what page not. Clear? Pawan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you might be having a number of pages. So if you really don't want to index, that is the one thing. That's it. The last one, non triple W to triple W. Non triple W to triple W, I'm going to show you what is that. Okay. Now, if you type this website, see, I'm typing odmt.in. I'm typing the website. You can see automatically it's become to www.odmt. I didn't even type www, but automatically it came. But when it comes to this career switch, let's see this www.career.
మీట్ ఎక్కుతుందా చేస్తారా ఓకే వాట్
I'm typing www.careerswitch.co.in. But still, the www is not coming. So this website using a non-triple W version. When it comes to here, if I'm not adding www also, it's automatically coming. But here, even though I'm adding triple W, it's not coming. At the time, non-triple W, your website is using non-triple W version. How to convert to triple W? This is one method. Why we have to do? Because whenever your website is www.abc.com and abc.com. Both are same. Both are same, right? www.abc.com and abc.com both are same. But Google point of view, both are not same. This is different. This is different. Now what happens? Both of them have same content, but Google seeing it as a different, then there is a possibility Google will punish one website. Means Google is punishing your website because of duplicate content. At that time, telling them that we both are same. Non-triple W to triple W. How to redirect. That's it, guys. These three techniques comes under server-side optimization. Sitemap, robo.txt, and non-triple W to triple W. So have you understood, Pawan, what is non-triple W to triple W?
Sir, a little confused. Can you tell that again,
Yeah.
sir?
So what you understood, tell me.
The exact definition of it, I didn't get it.
It's nothing. When it comes to ODMT, without triple W, I'm typing here, but it is going to triple W ODMT. But whereas a career switch, even though I'm adding triple W, it's not going. It's not going. So this website is using non-triple W version. So if your website is www.abc.com, abc.com, both are same, but Google see them as a different. So at the time, non triple W version to triple W, how to convert non triple W to triple W. So it's a method of telling that we both are same. How to do that? So these three comes under server side optimization. Okay. So once again, I'm telling sitemap is a method of, if your website have more pages, server might not get a particular page. At that time, you have to give a map that is called sitemap. And remember, server understand only XML language. How to give that map, I'm going to show you. Robot.txt means you don't need all the pages to get indexed. Some pages you have to block. Robot.txt is a method of telling a crawler to not crawl a particular page. What are the page you don't want to crawl? That comes under robo.txt. Non triple W to triple W. If any website is using non triple W version, how to use triple W version? Why? Because duplicate content issue will come. That's why we will do it. This is called non triple W to triple W. That's it, guys. These three topics. Just took a screenshot. So I'm going to show you the process. Right. So sitemap. I told you, right, we can't write XML language. That's why there is a website to do a sitemap. Sitemap xml sitemaps.com. This is the website. We have to go there. xml sitemaps.com. Go to the website. And whatever the website you want to generate a sitemap, assume that for this website, I want to generate a sitemap. Go there and copy your website URL. I copied the website URL and click on start. So copy your website URL, click on start. Automatically, this website will scan each and every page of this website. Because as we discussed, sitemap means finding out how many pages on their website and what is the easy route to find them, right? So what this tool is doing, scanning every page, and they are also scanning what is the easy method to reach them. It says the total 14 pages scanned. Then click on view sitemap details. So see careerswitch.co.in / all courses, about, contact, blogs, whatever the pages you have, everything will come. Or whatever you write. This all you can download. Whenever you download, one file will come. The file name is sitemap.xml. So this is the file. The file name is sitemap.xml. If you try to reach, this is in a XML language we don't understand. But if you try to understand, if you want to reach to the home page, this is the shortest route. All courses, this is the shortest route. About us, this is the shortest route. This file, you have to give it to the server so that server will understand. How to give it to the server? How to give my file to the server? You don't have to give that. Your developer will take care. When you're really working with Amazon company, nobody give you server access. It's a suicide only because you can do anything. That's why you have to just generate that file, just give it to your developer. The developer will take care. Your job is to generate that file only. So this is how you have to do it. You might be asking, if it is my website, how can you do that? If it is your website, you might be using a WordPress website. WordPress, we have alternate. You know, WordPress, you don't need to go to XML sitemaps.com. We have to use the plugin. I think you have already used all-in-one SEO pack. If you use all-in-one SEO pack, automatically the sitemap is done. You don't need to check anything. If you use all-in-one SEO pack or Yoast, this job is done. You don't have to worry about it. But when you're working for the HTML website or PHP website, it's by default is not done. At that time, go to the website xml-sitemaps.com and download the file and give it to the developer. He will take care. Clear? Right. Again, sitemaps are two types. XML sitemaps and HTML sitemaps. This is till now what I learned. This is called XML sitemap. This is for server to understand. You also should give HTML sitemap. This is for the user. HTML sitemap is nothing. It's easy. Now let's see Amazon.in. Now we said that Amazon have 30 crore product, but how a customer is going to browse 30 crore product? Even if tough for them, right? That's why see here they gave all the links. These are all kings. So these are all HTML sitemap only. The developer should create in such a way that it would be easy navigation for the user. These are called HTML sitemap. Is nothing but navigating properly in the menu. Okay, but what you have to focus is the XML sitemap. Go to xml-sitemaps.com and download it. So try to remember this. When I ask you, just repeat it. That's it. WordPress people don't need to worry. You already have all-in-one SEO pack. It's automatically done. So this is how you'll be doing a sitemap. Any questions, Pawan? Is it clear?
No, sir, no questions.
Okay. Now, robots.txt. Now, you might be having n number of pages. You'll be having n number of pages, but you don't want all the page. Now, assume that this sample page you don't want to crawl. Okay. Then what you have to do is go to dashboard, scroll down, make sure that you install all-in-one SEO pack. All-in-one SEO pack will do a lot of work. Here, even this website doesn't have all-in-one SEO pack as of now. So it's there but not activated. So let us use the activate. So sitemap automatically done. Right. Now let me go to the page. Now assume that I don't want a sample page. Click on this page. Scroll down. Below title description. Yeah. So you can see that there are many settings. Click on advanced. Can you see robot settings? By default, use default settings is there. Select this. Then here is an option, no index. What are the page been? There is a page called sample page. What I'm telling is no index. So you're telling that to the crawler, Arabic don't crawl this page. So this page will never get crawled. It will be there on your website, but someone searching on Google, it will never come. So this is how you have to mention. So once again, I'm showing you. Go to the particular page. What are the page you want? Click on it. Make sure that you have already all-in-one SEO pack or Yoast plugin. Then here, click on advanced. Robots or settings. Here, no index. Again, no follow, these all options you will be learning later. Click on no index. So this page will never get indexed on the Google. But what is the topic we're learning? Server side optimization. But here we're telling only to Google. We also should tell to the server. So previously, when it comes to sitemap, what happened? Once we download, we got a map called sitemap.xml file came. This file we have to submit to the server. We are not submitting, but we'll be giving to the developer. In the same way, robo.txt also, there should be a file called robo.txt. We should explain to the server. Here we haven't generated, but we told to Google that don't crawl it. Google will not crawl, but we have to tell to server as well. Here, you need to write some code actually. Okay. So here someone asking how to stop already crawled and indexed page that won't display on Google. So you already indexed, okay? Same process you do it. It will take some time. But within 1 week or 10 days, it will get stopped. So to give it to the server, you have to write a code actually. So if you remember, it's okay. Otherwise, it's easy. Robo.txt generator. Small piece of code you have to write. So I'm going to some tool here. I'll tell you which tool is good. You can also check that. Just give me 1 second. These are all messy things. Only this is enough. This allow, you should start with the URL hash payments. Assume that you want to stop payments page. So I came here. I clicked on what? Tools.seo book. Where is that? This is SEO optimizer. This is SEO book. I think this one I clicked. No, not this one. Yeah, this one I clicked on this tools.seo book. So here disallow. I want to stop the payment page. I click on add. See this code will change your robo.txt file code. You can see here disallow slash payments. Now you want to add one more page. You can write one more page slash terms conditions. There is a page called terms conditions assume. Then add one more line will write it. If you remember this, okay. User agent // disallow. What are the pages there? You can copy it. Just copy these things. So make sure that you remember this URL. Once you search robo.txt generator, click on this file. Once it comes, just write it. And here you have to add with the slash what page you want. Automatically it is writing. Copy this and paste it in a notepad. Save. You have to save like this only. Robots.txt. Whenever you save the file as this, then only server will remember. See robots.txt. And I have already one file we downloaded called sitemap. Let me drag this as well. Let's put all together. One is sitemap, one is robot.txt. This file you have to submit to the server. One is sitemap one is robot.txt one. Now, whenever you submit this file to the server understand, okay, this guy is talking about the pages which should not be get crawled. That's it. 1 second. Right. So it's very easy to stop the page. Directly go to the page, click on no index. But here you're telling only to Google, not to crawl. But you have to explain to the server as well. For that reason only, we've been to robo.txt generator and click on that. We generated a file. We saved at robo.txt. We give it to the developer. He will submit to the root folder. So that server also receive the information. The last one, you have to put it in robo.txt file. You just give it to the developer. He will take care. Your normal WordPress users don't do anything. I'll tell you all the alternates here. Final, non www to www. This is your website. We just now we discussed career switch. This website doesn't have a www version. I want a www version because Google thinking both the website are same and duplicate content issues coming. That is the reason I have to make a www version. Here again you have to depends on one website called HT Access Redirect. There is a website called htaccessredirector.net. This website do many things. So here rewrite to www. Your website doesn't have a www version. You want to have it. Copy the website URL here. Your website is this. Copy it. Come back here and paste it. Okay. Come to htaccessredirect.net. Rewrite to www. Put it over here. Scroll down. Click on generate code. Automatically it generates the code, which is in a XML language. We don't understand. If you try to understand, it's clearly mentioned that rewrite careerswitch.co.in to www.careerswitch.co.in. And the rule is 301. 301 means permanently redirected. If you say 302, temporary for 90 days redirected. Let us go for a 301 only. Copy the entire one and paste it in a notepad. And you have to save this as dot ht access. You have to save like dot ht access only. Then only server understand. Now I've saved as a dot ht access. This is another file. Again, give it to the developer. This guy will take care. He will submit the website to the root folder. Then automatically you will be getting a www version. Okay. So sitemap. If your website have too many pages, we have to give a hint to the server that this is my sitemap. This we are doing with the website called xml-sitemaps.com. Enter the website URL. So one file will be downloaded called sitemap.xml. Submit to the server. Okay. WordPress people, you don't have to do that. Alternate is there. All in one SEO pack. Robots.txt. If you don't want one page to get crawled, what you're going to do is go to particular page. When you scroll down, there is an option called no index. It will never get crawled. Apart from that, you have to go to a website called robo.txt generator. Here you write what page you want. Click on add. Then one file will be added here. Copy this, save it in a notepad. Save it as robots.txt. That robo.txt file we have to submit to the root folder. So that we are giving a hint to the server that these all pages are not required. Finally, one website have a non-www version. How to have a www version? We should go to htaccessredirect.net, the website. Now mention the website URL. Click on create code. There is a code will come. Paste it in a notepad and save as .htaccess. Now we have these three files. These three files you have give it to the guy. Now I'll tell you, WordPress people, you don't have to do anything. First of all, sitemap, all-in-one SEO pack automatically do it. Robo.txt, you know what? You're writing many blogs. Those blogs coming on top only very tough. Do you think that your privacy policy, your payment page will come on top? Never. So no need to bother about it. Finally, non-www to www version. If you Almost these days, all the websites are non triple W only. If you have a problem, now my website is non triple W. What I can do is my host is a blue host. If I call them within 5 minutes, he will do the triple W version. You don't need to worry about it. When you're working for the company as well, senior people will take care of this. But all of you should aware of this topic. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, you should have awareness on these topics. Okay, sitemap, robot.txt, HT access redirect. Watch this video again. If it is confusing, you will easily understand. But one thing you have to do, sitemap, sitemap automatically all-in-one SEO pack you will do, right? Apart from that, you have to do one more thing. You have to go to your search console. Let's take one website. As the tech.woozy.in will do it. We already have a all-in-one SEO pack. So sitemap is generated. But after that, left hand side, you can see there is an option called sitemaps. Click on sitemap. So your file will be always sitemap.xml. You can see here https tech.woozy.in / sitemap.xml. You have to submit here in the search console. You already have a plugin, or else yours is a HTML website. You gave it to the developer. Once it's done here, you have to mention sitemap submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You'll be notified if anything goes wrong. Now this is started, right? After 2 to 3 days, it will be active. It will be done. So I've done for other websites. I'll show you. See, sitemap already done here. You can see all the pages. What all the pages are there? It will be done. So author, category page, sitemap page. If you see product page, 1000 products, tags, everything you can see. Now one more best way to check the any website, if they already submitted sitemap, type the website name / sitemap.xml. Because we submitted to server, right? So your website name / sitemap.xml. One page will be there. Something happened, it didn't come. I'll check with another in / sitemap.xml. Yes, here they have posts, they have pages, they have projects. Let's check the page. When you click, you will see whatever the computer you have, how many pages they have also, you can see easily. In the sitemap, every page details has been given like this. Type the website name / sitemap.xml. You will find the details. That's it, guys. This part of a server side optimization. And I was telling you that you have to give it to the developer. Assume that you are only the developer and yours is a HTML website. How will you do that? For this, they'll download a software called FileZilla. So this is the software you have to download. So please don't do it. We never do this. Yeah. So your hosting have all the credentials. With the hosting credentials, you will connect with this FileZilla to your hosting. Username, password, port number, if you give, you will connect to the server. Left hand side, all your local files will be there. Whatever is there in your system files, all the files will be here. Now, once you connecting the server, your server files will be there. Like your what it might be, server details will be there. Mostly the HTML people will be in such a way that they create a page home.html on notepad, about us.html, all are there in local files. One by one they submit. then only website will be live. That's why HTML website is called static website. Our WordPress is not like that. You create a page, click on update, immediately it will be live. But not like this HTML website. Everything you have to upload. In the same way, just now we downloaded files, right? Sitemap, robot.txt, htaccess. What your developer will do is one by one he'll submit. Sitemap they submit, robot.txt, htaccess redirect. So this is the complete process. Just check the definition of what is sitemap, robot.txt, htaccess redirect, and in interview I just applied. That's it. If you have any questions, watch this video again. Ask me questions. I'll try to explain you. Why, where from where this guy is coming? I'm blocking them. Block user. Yeah. Canonical, I'll explain you. 1 second, guys. Right. Movendran, canonical, and some more redirections I'll be taking in the future classes. So, guys, tomorrow I'll explain you SEO setup cycle. Very, very important classes. SEO setup cycle. So whatever you learned till now, it will be revised in this topic. Like once you got a project, what are the steps you have to follow? How to do business analysis, keyword analysis, competitor analysis, on page, off page, server side optimization, review. So with this one diagram, everything will be clear. So we will be getting a chance of revising everything and check this server side optimization also. I'm not going to ask the questions now, but before starting the question only, class only, I'll be asking the questions. So please prepare, because in interview without sitemap, there won't be an interview. Regarding sitemap, they asked question regarding what is the latest update, Google update. They'll ask you what is domain authority, page authority. So tomorrow is SEO setup cycle class. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and Wednesday advanced advanced SEO topics are there. Like what is domain authority, what is page authority, how to remove spammy backlinks, what is 404 error, what is canonical. These topics will be covering Wednesday. And Thursday, Friday, we'll talk about some tools actually, SEMrush tool, most tools, how these tools are there, how to use it. And the last day, again, we'll revise something and we'll talk about what is the best way to get the clients. And with that, SEO will be finished. So exactly on Friday means 12th we'll be finishing SEO. We'll be having one exam, guys. Prepare that and write an exam. Then from 15th of August, 15th will be exam. From 16th we'll be going to the Google Ads. Google Ads is really very interesting topic. Pawan, any question today? Is everything's clear?
Hello? Clear, sir. Everything is clear.
Was the topic tough or everything is fine?
It is not, sir, but it is a little difficult to remember everything you said just now. So
Correct. But
I
watch
have to
the
watch.
video again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Social media, after Google Ads, social media will be there. And because students are there, when it comes to SEO also, I can't go too much hectic topics. That's why some people asking the question as well, I'm not answering. But slowly in these 4 days, what are your questions are there, we'll try to answer advanced SEO techniques. And in the future also, regarding SEO high end things, I manually upload the videos. I'll tell you to watch it. You can watch it. So next 2 to 3 weeks will be Google Ads, or else if you spend 1 month as well, because I want to give you more knowledge on Google Ads. Yashmith, video editing class. We are marketers. We don't have to spend much on video editing, but whatever the short apps are there, I'll go and explain actually how I do that. You can follow the same thing. So Pawan, slowly from basics to slowly advanced we came. So it's your responsibility to work hard. I can see that so many students are not regular. So ask them to
Yes.
practice, because this is the skill which is really important. And once they get a project as well, they have to finish, mean they need a knowledge actually. If anyone missing the class as well, ask them to watch the video. So definitely I will check your
Okay.
skill on 15th August. There will be exam. You have to thorough the exam. Based on your skill only, I'll refer the clients. Definitely, you are my students. I'm going to give you clients actually. You can work from home, but you have to impress me that you're doing, because I can't blindly give a client to you where the person is not working hard, you're not able to do the things. It's an injustice to the client actually. So please learn perfectly so that we'll try to get the clients. Okay,
Okay, sir. I'll,
Dinakar, do something and try to get the voice. It's not a big deal, because when you talk, it will be more interactive. See, as of now, it's good that Pawan is saving all the classes, because Pawan is talking. It's more interactive. If one more people also talk, it's good actually. We should not give so much pressure to Pawan as well. So remaining people also, if you talk, it's very good. Okay, Pawan, watch this video again, and tomorrow I'll be asking the
sure, sir.
questions. Tomorrow, SEO setup cycle. Ask the remaining people to attend the class. So with that, we'll go to the advanced one. And people who watching live, yeah, wait for 4 more days. We'll go to the beautiful topic called Google Ads. I'll give you complete knowledge on how to work on a practical client. I am while working with the clients, so a lot of money we're spending on that. I'll try to show you. Thank you very much, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet at 6 o'clock. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.